Listen up. Did you know that 1 in 7 adults in America, that's over 37 million people, are estimated to have chronic kidney disease, and most of them don't even know it? That's right, their kidneys are failing, and they're walking around like ticking time bombs. It's about time you learn to treat your body with some respect. You think I got my Michelin stars by chucking any old rubbish in the pot? No, a good diet is the foundation of a healthy life, and that includes your kidneys. So get ready to ditch those greasy takeaways and sugary drinks, because I'm about to reveal 8 foods that will give your kidneys the fighting chance they deserve. And trust me, number 4 will have you spitting out your tea. First up, we've got the most important ingredient of all, water. You think I'm joking? Water is not just for washing dishes, you muppet. It's essential for flushing out toxins and keeping your kidneys in tip-top shape. Think of your kidneys like a high-pressure kitchen sink. If you keep shoving greasy plates and burnt food down there, it's going to get clogged up, right? Same goes for your kidneys. Without enough water, your kidneys have to work overtime to filter out all the waste products in your blood. Over time, this constant strain can lead to damage, and nobody wants a damaged kidney, do they? So, how much water are we talking? Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, you dehydrated disaster. And no, sugary sodas and fruit juices don't count. They're loaded with sugar and artificial crap that will only make things worse. Stick to pure, clean water. It's the cheapest and most effective way to keep your kidneys happy. And while you're at it, listen up for ingredient number 2, because it's a game changer for kidney health. You might think cabbage is boring, something you'd find festering in the back of the fridge. But let me tell you, this humble vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse, especially when it comes to your kidneys. Why? Because it's low in potassium. Now, before you switch off thinking potassium, who cares? Let me explain. When your kidneys aren't working properly, they struggle to remove excess potassium from your blood. This can lead to a dangerous condition called hyperkalemia. But fear not, because cabbage comes to the rescue. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all while being gentle on your kidneys. So, how do you get more of this kidney-friendly superstar in your diet? Well, you can shred it into salads for a satisfying crunch, roast it with a drizzle of olive oil for a smoky flavor, or even try your hand at a classic sauerkraut. It's fermented, which means it's great for your gut health too. Don't underestimate the power of cabbage. It might not be fancy, but it's a damn sight better for you than those processed ready meals you're so fond of. Now let's move on to the next ingredient, which will add a real kick to your kidney-friendly diet. That's right, garlic. Not just for warding off vampires, this pungent bulb is a culinary superhero with some serious health benefits, especially for your kidneys. You see, garlic is packed with a compound called allicin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is like the devil in disguise when it comes to your kidneys. It can cause damage over time, leading to a whole host of problems. But garlic swoops in with its allicin, fighting off inflammation and protecting your kidneys from harm. And that's not all. Garlic can also help lower blood pressure, which is another major risk factor for kidney disease. Now, I know some of you are afraid of a little garlic breath, but let me tell you, the health benefits far outweigh a bit of pungent air. Besides, there are plenty of ways to enjoy garlic without scaring off your friends and family. Roast it whole with your favorite vegetables, add it to soups and stews for a depth of flavor, or even try a garlic-infused olive oil for dipping. Just make sure you're using fresh garlic, not that pre-minced stuff in a jar. It's lost most of its potency, and frankly, it's an insult to real cooking. Now for the ingredient I bet you weren't expecting, red bell peppers. That's right, these vibrant vegetables are surprisingly good for your kidneys. Like cabbage, they're low in potassium, which we know is crucial for keeping those kidneys happy. But that's not all. Red bell peppers are also bursting with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C. Antioxidants are like little ninjas that fight off free radicals, harmful molecules that can damage your cells and contribute to disease. By including plenty of antioxidant-rich foods like red bell peppers in your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to protect your kidneys from damage. And the best part? Red bell peppers are incredibly versatile. You can eat them raw with hummus or guacamole, toss them into stir-fries for a satisfying crunch, or roast them to bring out their natural sweetness. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't just walk past those beautiful red bell peppers. Grab a few and show your kidneys some love. Next on our list is cauliflower, a cruciferous vegetable that's often overlooked but deserves a standing ovation for its kidney-protecting properties. You see, cauliflower contains compounds called glucosinolates, which your body converts into isothiocyanates. These fancy-sounding compounds are like little warriors that help neutralize toxins and protect your kidneys from damage. Think of cauliflower as your kidney's personal bodyguard, always ready to fight off any threats. But the benefits don't stop there. Cauliflower is also a good source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. And a healthy gut means less stress on your kidneys, as they're responsible for filtering out waste products from your blood. So, how do you incorporate more of this detoxifying dynamo into your diet? Roast it with your favorite spices for a hearty side dish, rice it for a low-carb alternative to mashed potatoes, or even use it to make a creamy, cheesy sauce that's actually good for you. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, or so the saying goes. And while that might not be entirely true, there's no denying that apples are incredibly good for you, especially when it comes to your kidneys. One of the key ways apples support kidney health is by helping to lower cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for kidney disease, as it can clog the arteries that supply blood to your kidneys. Apples contain soluble fiber, which acts like a sponge in your digestive system, soaking up cholesterol and preventing it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. But that's not all. Apples are also a good source of antioxidants, which we know are essential for protecting your kidneys from damage. So, next time you're craving something sweet, reach for an apple instead of that sugary processed snack. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Now, let's talk about berries, those tiny jewels bursting with flavor and antioxidants. Berries are like nature's candy, but without the guilt and the damage to your kidneys. In fact, berries are some of the best foods you can eat for kidney health, thanks to their high antioxidant content. We've already talked about how antioxidants protect your kidneys from damage, but berries take it to a whole new level. They're packed with anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant colors, as well as other powerful antioxidants like vitamin C and ellagic acid. These antioxidants work together to fight off free radicals, reduce inflammation, and keep your kidneys functioning at their best. So what are you waiting for? Add a handful of berries to your breakfast yogurt or oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a sweet and satisfying snack. Last but not least, we have fish, a true champion for kidney health. But not just any fish will do. We're talking about fatty fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential fats that your body can't produce on its own, so you need to get them from your diet. And trust me, your kidneys will be eternally grateful if you do. Omega-3 fatty acids have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can help protect your kidneys from damage. They can also help lower blood pressure and reduce proteinuria, a condition where your body excretes too much protein in your urine, which is a sign of kidney damage. Now, I know some of you might not be the biggest fans of fish, but I'm telling you, it's worth incorporating into your diet at least twice a week. There you have it, you lot. 8 incredible foods that can help save your kidneys and keep them functioning at their best. From the humble cabbage to the mighty omega-3 rich fish, these foods are packed with nutrients that will give your kidneys the love and support they deserve. So, ditch the processed junk and start incorporating these kidney-saving superstars into your diet today. Remember, a healthy diet is the foundation of a healthy life. And while these foods can work wonders for your kidneys, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Now go forth and conquer those culinary creations. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite kidney-friendly recipes.